What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the Tecware Phantom RGB keyboard. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this keyboard is their 10 keyless version of the keyboard. Obviously it has RGB, and this one also has some modular switches too. They are only compatible with, I believe, Otemu switches, so you have to make sure that you buy the right kind of switches. Otemu plate mounted. Other than that, I don't know a ton about this keyboard. I have heard of it a little bit, but I haven't seen anyone else's reviews of it, I don't believe. So, all right, so we're into the box now. Huge shout out to Tecware for sending out this keyboard for review. This video is not sponsored, but they did send out the keyboard for review. If it was sponsored, obviously, I would let you know. Let's see here. Let's take the keyboard out of the box, or out of the wrapping. Media presets up here. What is that? Is this like a desktop button? Calculator, music, browser, media controls, volume, and this must be to control the RGB effects. Super clicky Otemu blue keys. They're kind of smooth. You can tell they're double shot, obviously, because the transparent material on the inside. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's actually something I liked on the Glorious GMMK. They give you a switch puller and it's installed into the bottom of the keyboard. One level of feet adjustability, and then you do have cable routing too. So perfect. Editing. Oh wow, we got a ton of effects. Multicolor, heck yeah. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Pulse wave, hurricane. Oh wow, that looks awesome. Holy crap. That's all right. Fix is kind of boring. Ooh, that looks sick. That looks cool as heck. Okay, I mess with that one. It does like all different colors too if you have it on this multicolor. I think that's pretty cool. Most of the time in like some other company softwares, I've only seen it be like the one color that it'll do the dash across. Is like, okay, so this one's kind of cool. The more I type, the darker it gets. And if I leave it, okay, that's pretty cool. That's different. I haven't seen anybody else with that one too, so that's pretty cool. And you can like change the color and whatnot. All right, let's leave it on this horizontal wave. Set our USB report rate to 1,000 because we want that maximum USB reporting rate. And then we can set up different profiles. We can set up macros if we want. If you want to edit the LEDs, you just have to enable the LED editing mode. And that's pretty much it. Their software is pretty basic, super easy to use. Honestly, I do like it when the software is really easy to use. You don't need a manual to know how to edit the different LED modes. It just takes you a couple minutes to figure it out, and then you should be good to go after that. I think so far they did a pretty good job in terms of the software experience and changing the colors of the RGBs. That's like really the only reason why I would use the software for any keyboard, is just to change the color of the RGB. And then also, I think the build quality on this one is pretty decent. It's mostly plastic, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. And one thing that I will knock it for is not having a USB-C, so you can't use a custom cable on this keyboard, but at least they do have USB routing, so you can route it 3 different ways depending on where you want your cable to come out. I always put it all the way to the left so that my mouse never touches my keyboard cable. So I will say this, I managed to get one of the switches out. It wasn't the easiest. There's a little bit of a trick to it. You gotta apply a little bit of pressure. I did ruin this one switch. It's not totally ruined. Like if I put it back, it'd be fine. It would operate like just fine. But unfortunately, I did crush the top of the switch housing. So good thing Tecware gives you 4 extra switches in the box. I just gotta make sure you know how to do that again. Their keycap puller, obviously there's not a ton of leverage, so I actually just used my own that I already had because it's easier. But it is really easy to slot the switch back in there, as I just did. Let's see if I can do this on camera without messing the switch up. So slide in toward the bottom. Other side, you'll feel like once it like slides right in the grooves. Oh, that was easy. Wow, I was just doing it wrong. So you just gotta give it a little shake. Give it a little wiggle, okay? Pause. Just gotta wiggle the switch out of that, that's it. So we wiggled it out, nice and easy. And we're just gonna put it back. Red, blue, or brown switches. Red are gonna be your linear, brown is gonna be your quieter and tactile, and blue is obviously super clicky. So you can pick your switches, and yeah, you should be one happy camper. But alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Thanks again to Tecware for sending out the Phantom for review. Probably have that out in the next week or so. And then I'll let you guys know my full opinion on the keyboard in the full review. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. And also don't forget to enable post notifications for the channel as well, so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. See you guys in the next one.